Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 officially launched on August 10, 2022. It has been spotted in a listing on Amazon's Netherlands website. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 spotted on Amazon ahead of launch. Specifications, features tipped. Dimensions could measure 155.1 by 67.1 by 15.8 millimeters. Or outer display of the foldable phone could be a 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O touchscreen with 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has been listed to sport a 7.6-inch primary display. Octa-core, 3.2 GHz, single core plus 2.75 GHz, tri-core plus 2 GHz, quad-core. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. 50MP plus 12MP plus 12MP triple primary cameras LED flash. Beige color variant with 12GB RAM and a 512GB storage option. Available to pre-reserve via Samsung's official website and Samsung exclusive stores. The listing reveals Galaxy Z Fold 4's specifications, design, S Pen case, and Android 12 Leaders taskbar.